How to enable or disable hide from notification panel when the screen is on during Do Not Disturb on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on Notifications. After that, we go down and tap on Do Not Disturb. Next, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Hide Notifications. From here, tap on Hide from Notification Panel right here, so you can turn it on or switch it off. Here, when you turn it on, certain options will be grayed out. And this is for when the screen is on. So when the screen is on, it will hide from notification panel. And that's it. You can see here when I switch it on, all the notifications up here goes hidden. So notifications paused by Do Not Disturb. So we can switch it off and it will show notifications. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.